First we need a USB cable. This is our USB cable and need some tools. Need soldering wire. Need iron. Now we need to cut this cable. Now see, this is black, red, green and white cable. We need to cut this side and this side. Now see our wire connection. Now remove all old wire. Now join our black wire. See, join black wire. Now join green wire. See, join green wire. Now join red wire. See, join red wire. Now join white wire. Now need to test. The wire is working. Please subscribe us for more scientific video. Thank you.